Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at our practical number 2 for our auxiliary option in the CAD feature, and this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head back into the program here. So now in today's practical, we're going to be looking at creating this type of shape. So we're going to create an L shape. You can choose which direction you want it, starting the bottom left, bottom right, or top left. And then the ideas with guides, we want to put 3 different guides, splitting, or should I say, we want a guide in the middle, and then we want a guide in the in-between sectors as well, so we can divide this in equal parts. Now there's a few ways we can go about it, some more efficient than others, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave that up to you guys, so to try figure that out. Yeah, so otherwise, just a quick reminder, the requirement is a L shape, starting from any corner, divided the L shape in 2, and then put some guides between those 2 halves as well that separates them. But yeah, otherwise pause here, and then when you're ready you can just unpause and you can see the process I took. Okay, so if you have tried it, then like I mentioned, there is a few ways we can go about it. So I'm just going to select and delete everything. First of all, I'm going to add some lines. So I'm going to go add one, make it 100 wide at the bottom, and then I'm going to add another line going up on the horizontal plane. So I'm going to go 100 over there, on the vertical. So we've got the vertical and horizontal lines. Now to divide it, like I said, there's a few ways we can do it. We can either go and then from our options here under the auxiliary, we can add, let's just go zoom in here. We've got the option over here, line with inclination. So if you know the distance between these 2 points, you can calculate the middle of that, and then you calculate those two, and do the same thing. Then another option we have is the auxiliary with 2 points. So if we go from point 0 and we calculate the middle of 100 and 100, so it's 50, then we can smack a line through there, and then you just do the same with the next 2. But then if you want to save time, I'm going to go with the bisector. So this will obviously vary. Let's say you've got lines in the middle, and then these ones you have an offset, then you might go the middle one bisector, and then with the offset you'll go maybe a one with a degree or 2 points, so you can try get that offset. But yeah, so let's just quickly, I'm going to make a selection box, click the bisector line. Okay, so select 2 entries first. Let's try that again. Then we click the bisector. There we go, we've got our first line. Then I'm going to select the guide and the bottom. Like we mentioned in the previous video, you can create guides using guides, and then I'm going to do the same with top. So I'm going to select the middle and the top one and click line bisector again, and there we go. We've got that shape with equal parts in between as guides, and then so we can use this as a reference. You can obviously also cut these in more if you need to, but it just gives you a general idea. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the practical number 2. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.